In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default download location or download path on Google Chrome. Have you ever found yourself downloading files and wondering where they go? Or maybe you'd like to organize your downloads more efficiently by choosing a specific folder each time. Changing the default download location in Google Chrome can be a handy way to manage your files and keep your computer's storage tidy. Today, let's walk through the steps to customize your download path in Chrome. First, you'll need to open Google Chrome on your computer. Once you have Chrome open, take a look at the top right corner of your browser. You'll notice a button with 3 vertical dots. This button is crucial because it leads you to Chrome settings, where you can make all sorts of adjustments. Go ahead and click on those 3 vertical dots. A drop-down menu will appear, providing you a range of options for customizing your Chrome experience. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This section is essentially the control center for all your preferences on Chrome. Once you're in the Settings tab, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You'll find various categories that organize all the possible settings you can adjust. In this list, look for the category labeled Downloads. Clicking on this will take you to the section where you can manage all download-related settings. Now that you're in the Downloads section, you'll see an option that says Location. This is the current folder where Chrome automatically saves any files you download. Next to Location, you'll notice a button labeled Change. Clicking this button allows you to modify where your files will be saved. After selecting Change, a dialog box will appear. Here, you'll have the opportunity to browse your computer's directories, navigate through your folders, and decide where you'd like your future downloads to be stored. This can be a new folder created specifically for your downloads or any existing folder on your system. Once you have made your choice, click Select Folder to confirm. And there you have it. Changing the default download location in Chrome can make file management so much easier. With your new setting in place, every download will automatically be saved to your chosen folder. This can streamline your workflow and help you locate files quickly in the future. Thanks for watching. Feel free to explore the other settings in Chrome to optimize your browsing experience even further. If you have any more questions or need additional tips, don't hesitate to reach out. Until next time, have a great day and enjoy your well-organized downloads.